BTBT stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief short 1 minute video till the end to find out. With BitDigital, it's sort of in this correction phase, which is, I mean, okay. I myself have done well over 44,000 videos over 5 years, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not, especially with BTBT. It all comes down to this. Finally, just the only thing that's gonna make me buy, let's put it this way, is if I see this shit happening here, right? Just like this. If I don't see anything similar, then I'm not buying. You know, I don't think it's gonna get even simpler than that. Like, the confirmation must be met, and if it's not met, no need for me to buy. So that's how BTBT is looking like, and all I'm doing in the meantime is obviously waiting for rules to be met, and if they're not met, I'm not buying. Very simple. So that's how it's looking like for me. It's not financial advice, and if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, plus you get free stock picks, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.